are probably waiting for those ones now.
Proud of you, girl. You all did so good. That was a long, that's probably what, half a mile? Maybe 3/4 of a mile?
What?
Cool. I'm so proud of you, girl.
Daddy, my hands are very cold.
Alright, you can probably stop the video if you want.
No, I want to stop. I will never stop it.
Set their water up for them, and then good. Ready? Park, thank you.
No, I don't
We're gonna end the video. Let me see it. So this was the beautiful film girl. You did a great job. Thank you for filming, Parker.
You're welcome, Daddy.
Are your hands cold?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I should have started the video maybe a little earlier, but we moved the cows from our farthest field. This is what I call homeroom, just the only permanent paddock I have fenced up here. So I moved them at least half a mile. Yeah, probably half. Probably a good estimate, half a mile. Put the fence up yesterday, so I got a couple of days of feed here, and then I got to set up the fence. I got to take it down from where they were, set it up over there. I got to castrate the bulls. I got 4 bulls I got to castrate. And then I'm just looking at this calf down there. It almost looked like she was limping. And then our bull is going to a friend of ours for the winter to go breed some cows. All right, so with that, I think we're gonna get out of here. You have any last words?
Daddy, Papi, how come sometimes you move back to here?
Oh, well, I have to move them in here so that I can take down the fence that they were just in and then put it up. I need an area to hold them while I do that. Does that make sense? That's why I have this kind of centered, centrally located, except for those 2 fields, the field along the road and then the field that they were just in. But other than that, this is where I hook all the other fences to. That way I can just run them in here, hold them for a day. And earlier, do you want to tell them about the rainbows earlier? You can just see it now. There was a double rainbow earlier. It was beautiful. Actually, I got a picture. Maybe I'll put that in the thumbnail. So, yeah, it's starting to show over there now.
The rainbow is kind of visible now.
Yeah, but you can see it. Sun's just poking out. It was perfect. I wanted to do it before the sun came out because the sun glaring against the fence makes it invisible. So it's cloudy. It was kind of raining. It was perfect. Worked out really good. I'm always a little nervous running, moving them like that because these girls did real good, as you saw. They walked and then they walked, but that last 1,000 feet when they get running and they don't know the fence is there can be a little nerve-wracking for me. So, all right, we're going to look how close that rainbow is. I don't know if you could see, but like I can see the end of it. It's amazing. Like it's on this side of those trees, which is crazy. Never seen a rainbow that close. So I'm gonna get this water set up and then we'll get out of here. So thanks for watching. Bye.